So our today's problem is Leetcode 19. Remove nth node from end of list. It is a medium level of Leetcode problem and it consists of topics such as linked list and two pointer. So let's read out our question so you will be getting it more clear. Here in the question it is given that given the head of a linked list, that means we are given a input as head of our linked list, and remove the nth node from the end of the list. That means here we are given a case that we have to remove an integer n, where n represent the nth node of a linked list, and return is head. That means we have to return a no we have to return a head as our modified linked list or list. So let's check out our example so you will be getting it more clear. Here in our example 1, we are given with an input head equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and our n equal to 2. So we will be printing our output by checking this. Here you can check we are given with an head which is 1. Then we are given with 2. Then we are given with 3. Then we are given with 4 and we are given with 5, which was our head as input. So here we will determine our length of our linked list, which was 1 2 3 4 5. That means there are 5 values present. That means our length is equal to 5. Then we will be determining which node to remove. For that we will be checking one condition: total length minus n value plus 1. That means there are 5 elements minus 2, which is our n value, plus 1. 5 minus 2, which is 3. 3 plus 1, which is 4. And we will be removing our element from n. So we have removed our fourth element and our output is 1, 2, 3 and 5. Similarly, in our example 2, here we are given with head equal to 1. That means there is only one node present in our input and we are given with n equal to 1. If we apply our condition, total length minus n, which is 1 minus 1, then our head becomes empty. So we will be printing our output as empty. In our example 2, we are given with a head which is 1 and 2 and our n is equal to 1. Here our length of head is 2. If we subtract n value from our head, then we get only 1. Then there is only one element present in our head, so we have written our output as 1. So let's write our code so you'll be getting it more clear.
First, we will be creating a list node, a new list node, which is dummy, and we will be assigning its value, which is 0. Set the next pointer of dummy node to head of our linked list, because our dummy is the head of list. Now we will be initializing two pointers, which are fast pointer and slow pointer. We will be using this pointer for traversing in our linked list, which is dummy. Now we will be writing a for loop for our integer I at 0 position, and we will be giving its range till n plus 1 element instead of n, because we have to remove the nth node from our end of list. So we will be giving its range just before the nth element, which is n plus 1. Until that we will be incrementing our fast pointer by n plus 1.
Now we will be writing a while loop. What if our fast is not equal to null? Then we will be checking all the values of our fast pointer and slow pointer until we reach end of our list. Now we will be initializing another pointer which is to delete. This pointer is used to hold the addresses of the node which is to be removed. As our slow pointer is just before our removing pointer, so we will be removing the nth position node. We have just removed nth position node which was slow. Now we will be adjusting the next pointer of the node just before the node to be deleted which is slow. Delete. To delete, this means we have successfully removed our nth node from our end of list. Now we will be writing a return statement for our code which is return dummy next. That means new node, new modified node which is dummy. Let us check our code for errors. Now we can run our code. Yes, our code is accepted for all the three cases. Now we can submit our code.